do one with angles. And then we're going to do one with variables. It's real easy. Lost my geometry. Here it is. Am I on screen? Nope. Oh, go ahead and draw your diagonals. I'm just going to use my ruler. Now, I didn't give you any that are real tough. They don't necessarily ask you for everything like we're fixing to do. A lot of things, but you can do it. I have faith in you. This is J, K, L, M, and the middle letter is N. And they're going to give us the measure of angle LJK is 27 degrees. And they want to know, now here's where it gets messy, so you got to watch. Measure, they all look about the same. Measure of angle MJK. The measure of angle MJL. I'm going to put blanks out there. Measure of angle JLK. The measure of angle KML. And the measure of angle MNL. Now, I'm going to show you how I worked it this morning in honors. I didn't go by these. The easiest to me is do the picture and then come back and fill in your answers. And I'm going to do the arithmetic for you so it saves a little bit of time. Now, when I ask you where an angle is, y'all will go, oh, it's right there. You got to follow your angles out. You got to know exactly where they are. So start at L, go to J, and go to K. It's this one right here, and it is 27 degrees. Now, let me show you what looks obvious. This is nice on rectangles, and it's even easier on squares. Because squares have, well, this one's actually going to have only two answers around each corner and then a couple of answers in here. Now, here's what's super nice. This one's 27, this little one is 27, this little one is 27, and that little one is 27. That happens in rectangles, doesn't happen in parallelograms. You know, parallelograms were just the same across from each other. These are the same all the way around. Now, each corner is 90. So if you do 90 minus 27, you get 63 degrees for each of these. 63, 63, 63, 63. Now, I think that's going to do all of them except this one right here. So let's find our blanks and fill them in. So find angle MJK. Start at M, go to J, and go to K. So what's MJK? M to J. Now wait a minute. MJL would be 63. MJK, what is that? That's a 90-degree angle. Follow your letters. Now, Trinity, MJL. There's your 63. I mean, I knew 63 is going to be one of these answers. But you got to figure out which one it is. JLK. J to L to K. That's another 63, isn't it? KML. 27. Wouldn't it look? Look. Have you got your letters right? JKLM. JKLM. What did she say? 23? Okay. Look. K, L, K, where am I? K, M, L. KML, that one right there. Okay, you got to remember how to follow the letters. That goes back to like lesson 2 or 3, somewhere early in the year. Now this last one has an N in it. We have not talked about these angles. Now here's where you got to watch. If we need MNL, MNL is this one right here. Yes, see this little triangle right here? Those 3 angles add up to 180. So, you got to remember 180 in a triangle. So, you got 180 minus 27, which leaves you, I believe, it's 126. Now, once you did that one is 126, and I try to draw them like that's obtuse, and you got an obtuse answer. Well, see, this one, if they ask for this one, that's 180. This is vertical, so this one's 126, that one's 126. These each are, I believe, let's see, 126 from 180 is going to be 54. I think that one's 54, and that one's 54, and that one's 126. So they all kind of line up. You see how printing the picture helps. Number 3. This is an easy one. Okay, last rectangle. Super easy. Okay, this is W, X, Y, Z. The one in the middle is an R. This angle right here, and I'll try to write it big enough where you can see it, 5x minus 8 degrees. Let's see if I can spread it out just a little bit for you. There you go, 5x minus 8 degrees. And this little one right here is x plus 20 degrees. And they want to know the measure, well, they obviously want to know x, and they want to know the measure of angle WZX, which is actually this one. Okay, we'll come back to that. Okay, it's in the corner. You got 2 angles. What is going on in the corner of a rectangle? 90 degrees. So 5x minus 8 plus x plus 20 equals 180. Now the other thing they could have done to you is given you like this one and that one where they're the same. So you have to be careful where they are. They usually do this. This is awesome ACT problem. They make you do something with it. So you've got 6x. Let's clean it up first. Put your x's together. Put your constants together. Plus 12 equals 180. Minus 12, you get 6x equals, okay, something I did wrong. What did I do? 90, what did I do? Okay, let me see what I did. Okay, 6x, and that's positive 12, equals 180. Okay, did I do something wrong? Okay. Oh, you told me 90. I don't know where I kept thinking, what am I doing? Okay, I got it. You were right. Yes, you told me 90, and I wrote 180. I'm sorry. It's the corner, 90 degrees. You said 90. I said 90, but I wrote 180. Sorry. Minus 12. I know, but I always hate when teachers mess up. It always makes me upset, you know, because you're like, oh, no, I got to erase. And 78, divide by 6. But I tell y'all get upset, you know, like, oh, I can't believe I made that mistake. I said, yeah, but look, everybody sees mine. Even on the video, they see it. And you get, I think, 13. So that's your x. And then WZX is this one, 5 times 13 minus 8, and it's 57 degrees. Okay, let me do that for you. Okay, it asks for WZX, and I just went here, and WZX is this one, which is, let me draw an arrow. which is the 5x minus 8. That's okay. See, it could have asked for RZY. That's this one. They could even ask you for ZWR. Well, see, those are the same. See, there's little tricky things they can ask you. It can be an angle that actually measures the same. Okay, that's it. I will go grade what I can as fast as I can. I don't know. You probably was 34 due today. 35 is due Friday, and the quiz is over 34 and 35. That is not a quiz, all of you listen, that you wait till you walk in here to look at, because it is inside, outside of polygons. It's the n minus 2 times 180 and the 360. Which ones weren't used? Dalton, can you tell? Okay, would you put them, is it the 3 right there? Okay, are used.
These are used, these are not.
Okay, put the ones under this box over here that are not used. That's perfect. That just keeps me from having to spread them out so I can spray them easier.